Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of aerial technology as we explore the best drones of 2024. Number 5, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The incredibly portable design that has made the DJI Mini series well known is retained in the Mini 4 Pro. It weighs only 249 grams with a standard battery, which is less than the weight threshold that in most countries waives the need for registration. Always check local restrictions before taking off. Because of this, it's ideal for putting in your backpack and traveling to new places without worrying about registering. In light of its small size, the Mini 4 Pro is reasonably well built. Its protective cover and mobility are enhanced by its foldable arms and propellers, and its aerodynamic, streamlined design guarantees effective flight performance. When it comes to photography, the Mini 4 Pro really excels. Its 1/3-inch CMOS sensor enables it to record stunning 4K/60 frames per second HDR video. This yields extremely sharp video with a broad dynamic range, making it ideal for capturing bright scenery, fluid slow-motion images, and action-packed scenes that move quickly. For photography enthusiasts, the Mini 4 Pro offers incredibly sharp 24-megapixel photos. Additionally, the camera excels in low light, enabling you to take respectable film in less than ideal circumstances. The Mini 4 Pro is made to make flying easy in addition to producing amazing images. Its numerous intelligent flight features, which make piloting easier, are from DJI. A first for the Mini series, the 360 degrees obstacle detection technology offers outstanding comfort and security. This sophisticated technology makes use of a number of sensors to identify and steer clear of obstacles in your direction of flight and avoid unintentional collisions. Even inexperienced photographers can capture breathtaking images with the Mini 4 Pro's array of automated flight modes. With quick shots, you can select from a variety of pre-programmed flying courses to quickly produce stunning films. Number 4, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 3 Classic produces smooth 5.1K video and gorgeous 20-megapixel photos. Compared to other consumer drone sensors, this one is larger and records more detail and performs better in low light. Hasselblad's great history in color science is demonstrated by their ability to produce colors that are vivid and lifelike with no need for post-processing. The Classic features a single Hasselblad primary camera, while the Mavic 3 Pro has two cameras. For enthusiasts and aspiring aerial photographers, the Classic keeps things simple, but some pros might find the zoom capability inadequate. Due to its large field of view, the 24mm focal length lens is ideal for creating expansive panoramas and expansive landscape photographs. Furthermore, you may get closer to your subject without sacrificing the quality of your shots, thanks to the 3x digital zoom. Included with the Mavic 3 Classic are the well-known flight controls and software from DJI. The DJI Fly app, which offers several advanced flying modes to simplify difficult maneuvers, may be used to control the drone. Features like Return to Home, RTH, which safely returns the drone to its launch point in the event of a signal disruption or low battery, are especially useful for beginners. Quick Shots, another well-liked function, instantly creates beautiful films with pre-programmed courses. The main priority while using a drone must always be safety. DJI's cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, which use omnidirectional sensors to identify and steer clear of obstacles in your flight path, is included into the Mavic 3 Classic. The drone can also be used with GPS, Galileo and Beidou, 3 global satellite navigation systems that offer accurate positioning and faultless flight performance. Portability is essential for photographers and videographers that travel. Because of its small folding design, the Mavic 3 Classic is convenient to carry about in a backpack or special drone bag. Even while the Classic is not nearly as light as DJI's Mini series, it is still free from numerous drone rules because it weighs less than 250 grams in many regions. With a maximum flying duration of 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 Classic offers you abundance of opportunity to record amazing aerial video. The longer flight duration allows you to cover more ground, try out new angles, and seize the ideal moment without worrying about the battery running out too soon. When all things are considered, The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a compromise between cost, image quality, and usability. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. In 2024, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is anticipated to rule the consumer and prosumer drone markets. Its amazing feature set appeals to enthusiasts as well as professional photographers and videographers. This strong drone's exceptional image quality, clever flight modes, and long flight duration make it a great option for taking breathtaking aerial photos. The Mavic 3 Pro's camera system is its greatest feature. It has a dual-camera Hasselblad configuration with a telephoto lens with a 7x zoom and a primary camera with a micro Four Thirds MFT sensor. The MFT sensor is larger than that of previous consumer drones, which allows the drone to offer better low-light performance, a wider dynamic range, and sharper, more detailed photographs. The telephoto lens broadens the field of vision of the MFT sensor and makes it possible to capture distant subjects in clean, detailed images. This is ideal for nature photographers who want to get up close and personal with animals without frightening them, or multimedia producers who want to highlight particular architectural details. A 4/3 CMOS sensor Hasselblad L2D20 camera is also included with certain Mavic 3 Pro variants. This provides an additional choice for pros who want a particular color profile. There are uses for the Mavic 3 Pro besides photography. It's a fairly good camera as well. It has beautiful 5.1K footage at 50 frames per second and extremely detailed slow motion settings. The drone may also be utilized with Apple ProRes 422 HQ, a professional-grade codec used by pros in videography that offers exceptional color grading capabilities. Because safety comes first, the Mavic 3 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The drone can avoid collisions and maneuver through challenging regions thanks to its sophisticated sensor system. Peace of mind is offered by a number of return-to-home capabilities that guarantee the drone returns home in a range of circumstances. With the amazing 46-minute maximum flight length of the Mavic 3 Pro, you can capture long takes or wide-open landscapes without worrying about running out of airtime. This drone's greater flight time gives it a major advantage over other models. Because of its powerful performance and high-end features, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is pricey. As a result, it better fits the target market of enthusiastic or knowledgeable users who can make full use of all of its capabilities. Should you lack expertise or have no intention of pushing the limits of aerial photography or filming, a less costly choice might be better. Number 2. Autel Evo Nano Plus. Being the industry leader in drones weighing under 250 grams, the Autel Evo Nano Plus is a serious candidate to be named the best drone of 2024. High-quality photographs and films may be captured with this little wonder, which is a potent instrument that is usually reserved for larger, more expensive versions. The Evo Nano Plus folding design allows it to be folded up and placed in a pocket or backpack. At only 249 grams, 8.8 ounces, it weighs less than the essential weight threshold, exempting it from more stringent drone rules in numerous countries. For anyone who wants to take breathtaking aerial photos without having to worry about registering or obtaining permissions, this makes it the ideal travel and adventure companion. Although the Evo Nano Plus is small, image quality is not compromised. It has a 3-axis gimbal with a 1/1 28-inch CMOS sensor inside of it. This translates to reliable, seamless 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and crisp, detailed images up to 50 megapixels. Number 1. Skydio 2 Plus Drone. Even with the drone market still growing quickly, the Skydio 2 Plus is a very strong candidate to be named the best drone of 2024. Unlike other quads, this one from Skydio is unique. It prioritizes autonomous flight in addition to industry-leading obstacle avoidance, which makes it the best option for aerial filmmakers of all skill levels. The self-sufficient qualities of the Skydio 2 Plus are what really make it stand out. The obstacle avoidance mechanism of the 2 Plus is powered by a system of 9 deep learning networks, in contrast to traditional drones that simply require human control. This results in a drone that can fly over challenging terrain, such as confined places and obstacles, without constantly having to worry about colliding with something. Because of its degree of autonomy, The 2 Plus is ideal for novice drone users or those looking to take amazing footage in places that were previously unreachable. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best drones of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.